Today I take my stand in authority and clarity. I decree and declare that I will not fail. Failure will not define my efforts, my decisions, or my future. I am positioned for progress, stability, and success. I decree soundness of mind. My thoughts are disciplined, strategic, and focused. I am not ruled by fear, doubt, or emotional instability. I operate with wisdom, patience, and discernment. I declare that setbacks do not weaken me. They refine my judgment and sharpen my resolve. Every challenge I face develops capacity, not defeat. I learn quickly, adapt wisely, and move forward deliberately. I decree consistency in my work and excellence in my output. I complete what I begin. I show up prepared and deliver with competence. My efforts yield measurable and lasting results. I declare productivity over my time. My days are ordered, not wasted. My opportunities are maximized, not missed. I walk in alignment with purpose and timing. I decree stability in my finances and growth in my resources. I manage wisely, build steadily, and increase responsibly. I am not trapped in cycles of lack. Provision meets preparation in my life. I decree resilience under pressure. I do not break when demands increase. I remain calm, rational, and focused when others panic. I carry responsibility with strength and composure. I declare that my past does not control my future. Errors have taught me, not limited me. Experience has matured me, not discouraged me. I move forward with confidence and refined judgment. I decree favor in professional spaces. My voice is respected. My work is valued. My contributions open doors of advancement. I will not stagnate. I will not settle. I will not retreat from growth. I am advancing deliberately and sustainably. By choice and conviction, I decree, I am progressing. I am succeeding. I am established. Failure is not an option. Stability is my foundation. Success is my outcome. I will not fail. Amen. If you want, I can.